Welcome to my review of the AudioSource D90-9014. This specific head unit fits in the VW CC. So here you have it. It's a 10.1 inch Android 4.4.4 head unit. Basically, you would take out the original bezel and replace this entire unit. So let's start with the physical buttons. Actually touch buttons. The first button is mute or power button. You can mute it or hold it down for just turning it off. You have home button, a return button, and also your volume controls. Those works all the time, so in case if this head unit does lag out, you can tap those buttons and they would still work. This is your main interface. You have all the regular functions that you would use in the car all the time. For music, it takes an iPod connection from the back of the head unit. You can route it to anywhere. Most people route it to the glove box right there at the factory location. You do have USB input. It comes with two USB input, to be honest, and usually I would route it to underneath the steering column so you can access it easier. You do have SD card slot in the back of the head unit as well. And you do keep the MFD audio display, but it wouldn't read your song name or artist name right at the MFD. It would all be here. So that display in the MFD would be like how you would stream Bluetooth. On the factory head unit, it would have the track number and the duration. That's about it. Next you have Bluetooth. It has a built-in dongle in it, so you don't really have to add extra stuff and route it everywhere. It's a mess. So I personally would not suggest you to use Bluetooth on this specific head unit. It's not its best thing from it. The audio quality really is subpar, and for those of you who stream music through Bluetooth, this would not satisfy you at all. But I use it with my phone sometimes, and you would need to access these functions when you link up your phone, but it does its job. It's not bad. You have your time, date, whatever. You have your radio in here. It comes with an adapter, a Fracka adapter, but I just never connect it because I don't really listen to the radio. It has all the regular function in here as well. There's also linking your phone mirror link. For iPhone users, you can do it wirelessly. I don't have an iPhone, so I can't really test that out. For the Android one, you need to use your USB cable to link it up and just keep it connected. I've tried it, but I never got it working, so if you have questions about that, you can email AudioSource for further instructions. And then we have navigation. This unit sends out with, I've got iBasso, correct me if I'm wrong, but it came with a third-party navigation app, which they never told me how it will work. Like it's missing all the map files, you have to go to the forum. I did not figure that out, but for Android, I would suggest using Copilot. It's a free app, I believe, and it pretty much does everything. You do have a GPS dongle, which I've routed it, couldn't see it, but right over there, that black box over there, it works all the freaking time, even when the car turns off. And then you have all the apps. It's the same as an Android tablet, so you can download apps from the Play Store, you can watch YouTube video. It doesn't really restrict you when your car is moving or not, but I don't encourage you to do that. It's dangerous. Settings, everything is based on an Android tablet. And you can slide to the next page and you can configure any apps on the second screen and whatnot. For the steering wheel buttons, they all work the same, so I can toggle the volume. They would still work. Muting, you can skip to the next song, it still works. Your voice thing, I forgot the term for it, but that I would suggest you to change it to a mute button. I did, because without the factory head unit I don't think you can get that working. Your phone menu still works. It would bring you to the phone app. Usually when you have your phone connected, you would go right to the dialer pad. The best thing about this head unit, I would say, is the integration with the steering wheel controls and MFI, MFD, whatever you call it. And the second thing would be the rear view camera module, because most VW CC owners who have retrofitted their rear view camera, we only have the low line camera, which does not have the reverse tracking line. But if you move to reverse, it would give you that, regardless if you have a low line camera or not. I don't have it yet because this head unit takes only RCA input, not the factory 26-pin RGB input. So buyers beware. And that pretty much sums up this head unit. Please feel free to ask me any questions in the comments below. And thanks for watching.